Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project so you can run code immediately. Open Android Studio and select New Project, then Empty Activity. This gives a clean template. Choose Kotlin or Java depending on your preference, and pick an API level that matches your target devices. Once done, Android Studio will sync Gradle and generate folders like app/src/main/java and res/layout. This is important because those files hold your code and UI. Make sure to confirm Gradle sync completes before moving on. Now you wire the UI to show the message. Open Activity Main, XML, and add a text view with an ID or modify the default one. This controls what the user sees. Then open Main Activity and call setContentView to load that layout, and either set text in XML or use FindView by ID to set the text view text in onCreate. Doing it in onCreate ensures the view exists before you change it. Make sure you save files and wait for no errors before building. Finally, run the app to verify your Hello World appears. Select an emulator or plug in a device and enable USB debugging, then click Run. Watch the build output and logcat for install or runtime messages. They explain failures. If the app does not display text, check ID match between layout and code, confirm setContentView references the correct layout, and ensure Gradle finished without errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see a no such field or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.